Welcome, today I'm a Realme Narzo 30A and I will show you if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So take a look. As you can see, when you take a look on the left upper corner, you can find this kind of the protection on the screen. It's a very thin foil that comes from the edge to the edge and it protects our smartphone from scratches. If you want to protect your smartphone from breaks, also we can apply tempered glass, so it will improve definitely toughness of our display. So yeah, in the Realme Narzo 30A we can find foil that is applied on the screen, and it's smartphone from the European distribution. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.